When you think about sustainability, we are thinking about how we're going to continue living as people on this planet. To treat it as something that just concerns itself with things like renewable energy, water and waste management is just simply insufficient.
Sustainability is something on a higher order that arises from the interaction between different parts. And so it's not enough to change this one part and then expect your life or your city or your telephone to be sustainable. That is what our current conceptualization is a lot about. Without thinking of what is at the fundamentals of sustainability, what does it actually mean?
For me, SiD is a way to understand how things are connected. A method, a way of thinking about the world and the problems that we have. That we actually look at the cause of problems and see if we change things, how it might have unexpected results in other parts.
Sustainability is not the property of an object. A thing is not sustainable. It really depends on how it is used, how it is made, who made it, for what purpose it was made, for how long it is used, and so on. If you just focus on these, what we call object-oriented issues, you're not paying attention to what happens with social justice issues, you're not looking at the health and happiness of the people that are involved. Looking at just one particular issue is going to make you run into trouble.